How much is that?
See you, mate.
Yeah.
Oh, so
Is
Yeah. Car didn't want to work.
Yeah.
You used it too much already.
See you, mate. Thanks a lot. Have a good day, mate.
That way.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pretty up nice.
Yum, yum, yum. This is new. They used to do the shop out of there.
We've got a
Little port cabin now. See, in the summer, and all this is.
it'll be a bus.
They put a door on as well. It was only here a few months ago. Oh yeah. I was only going to tap.
No, it's just that tap. It just that double.
Oh, tea kettle. Oh. Fantastic. Oh.
Come on in, guys. Yeah, if you want to like form a horseshoe round this way, we can do school photo day. Short ones at the front, long ones at the back. All right, there you go. Choose your weapons.
Mmm. Fantastic. Thank you.
Come around with it.
Alchemist next door. Fantastic. Oh, yes.
Yeah, they're last.
I mean, it's not a huge setup. You just think about how much beer they knock out. It's mental.
Going like
Nobody's like the beer, right? Isn't it?
Yeah.
This one, side pocket, our flagship beer. Just
Oh,
You've just had what, 4 of them?
4 of them, yeah.
3.
3.5.
Right, here we go, guys. This one's side pocket.
Side
just a little
pocket.
drink to get you going. It's
Beautiful.
our flagship beer, this one. There we are. Right, here we go. Side pocket there for you.
One of my favourites. Thank you very much. Cheers. Chin chin. Well done. Oh, that's straight out the thing as well.
literally straight out of the barrel.
Not going to get any fresher than that. Look at his face, look. It's like 3.6. It's practically a shandy. This is the power, yeah? Really? You sure about it? You're nuts trying to get me to eat it. Oh, step on that, mate. That's the power one. Actually, you're right. That's not as nuts as it sounds. Strong on. Watch that, it's right there. Come on, no worries. Here we go. This is what we're waiting for. This is going to be really bitter, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, that is strong.
Yeah.
It's got a flash in.
That's like, well, you can see where they get the chocolate and the coffee and that taste from, isn't it? Yeah, yeah. So that'd probably be like in your bitters, like a bitter, whereas the first one would be your pale ales and your golden ales and stuff.
There's 2 T's in bitter. You can pronounce one of them.
I did do at least one.
Oh, that's a great question.
Just by ears.
Yeah. I think that it's
Cheers.
down to a science now, but because it's so like their side of things are supposed to ask, I actually don't know the answer off the top of my head. But you've given me some homework. Yeah, there you go. There's always a difficult question.
Yeah, well done, Tom.
I already know.
Now, Ridgeway, that's normally in Sugarloaf.
Yeah, they've always gone with
I've always got Ridgeway now. That's... You don't like that either? What's the matter with you?
That's doing all right out of this.
Oh, you want me to finish it? Oh, okay.
Right, okay. Cheers, everyone.
There's a lot of Londoners done it. They come out.
Yeah, out the big smoke down to the countryside. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Tea kettle stout, this one.
Yes. Beautiful. Thank you very much, sir. Cheers. Look at that.
4.7%.
Cheers, big ears.
Yeah. Do you know, I can have a little bit of this before I start getting this.
So beer in there, bit of yeast, seal it up, then we'll put it in our cellar where we leave it for 3 days or so just to make sure that secondary fermentation process started, and then we will send it out to the pubs. The reason for the angle on the stillage is over the course of that time, any yeast that's been kicked up during transit will settle to below the tap line, so we don't get a yeasty point, which is always nice. The reason for the wooden peg, the spile, as I said, is wood is porous. It's going to allow the cask to breathe. And still can't control that process. That's 365 days a year. So there is of course that has to come here on Christmas Day to check the fermentation, but I don't think we keep a stock check on that day, so they can have as much or as little as they like to accompany their activities. So there you go. There's a benefit. Any other questions?
Yeah, do you need an apprentice?
Yeah, we're actually with with everyone going back to uni, probably at some point. Yeah, why not? There you go.
Oh yeah, that's what I bought. I bought the soap for the boys at Christmas. I didn't. Oh, those stout ones new, I think. And that's the beard oil I've got.
Beard oil you got.
Bar runner. That might be. Yeah.
Would you wear a hat?
Oh, well, I would definitely wear a hat.
What one?
No, I can't think with Tring on it though.
Oh, no.
It feels wrong. What do you want? Half an alchemist.
No, I don't actually wear it.
Sorry?
I don't really want it.
Okay. What do you want? Raven, yeah. 2 ravens. 3 ravens.
I just want a packet of crisps.
Salt and vinegar. Cheese and onion.
Just a selection of crisps that are running low.
And a ready salt. Go for me. I'll get this one.
Everyone being served? Can I have 3 ravens, please?
So what, get part-time down here, working as a brewer?
Yeah. Doing tours.
CV. Oh, is he saying where these jobs going, maybe? Or went to uni?
Don't know.
Well, he said with everyone going back to uni soon.
Yeah.
Wow.
Need any apprentices? Chief taster?
No, he was asking for himself.
Of course. Do you want someone to taste your beer?
Yeah, just to make sure it's okay. Just to make sure it's good.
Yeah.
21.45, please. Thank you.
Cheers, mate.
Enjoy.
Cheers, thank you. Sorry, excuse me. I've dropped my card. It's right under your foot there. I'm not quite sure how it got there.
It's a mail card.
Superstar, thank you. Thank you. Cheers, kids. Thanks a lot.
Realise the other day, I've got a rather large, I've got a rather round face.
Good head.
Yeah. I get ID'd at Asda, so it's getting cold out there, isn't it?
It was getting a bit fresh. See you, mate. Thanks very much. Hi, Sam. How you doing, mate? All right?
Hello, folks.
Hello.
Come to the outskirts in town.
Sega. You remember the Sega Mega Drive?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Remember Nan used to have one of the caravan as well.
Oh, I remember that.
Yeah.
Was it this? Oh, it was the Game Gear.
What's that upside down?
Because you're holding it upside down.
No, I'm pretty sure I'm not.
I'm holding on. I'm not
Go on, blur that.
Yeah, blur that.
Blur that for your YouTube video.
Oh, he doesn't said to himself. He says these videos are for the grandchildren. It doesn't censor the older swear words in it.
The F-bombs.
I do.
Once. No.
I do censor the F-bombs.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
Well,
Jeffs.
F and Jeffs.
Get it over the stick and yank it down. Just yank it down till you've got in about 5 minutes.
Oh, you're getting B-roll again?
Yeah.
B-roll.
I'm getting you in the B-roll because obviously the complaints after the last one.
Well, it's there for most of the night. I'm in there 20 minutes. No, 20 minutes, 20 seconds.
Oh,
Feng Shui?
I wasn't there for that.
No.
Not cool enough. I was busy moping at home because Valentine's
Were you?
Day's sad.
It wasn't Valentine's Day.
No, it wasn't Valentine's Day.
Feng Shui, right?
Yeah.
So, 2 weeks before.
No, you're right.
I can't remember
You're
why.
probably working or something.
No, you'd just been to Stainswood, Georgia.
Yeah. I literally just come back.
Anyway, I've gained a hat. I've gained a hat. I've lost a hat.
We've had a great. We've gained a hat.
I've lost a hat.
We've lost a hat. We've gained a hat.
I've lost my Peng Shui hat. And I've gained whatever.
Yeah, but you'll come back the next week. Surely you message Graham. Graham?
No, Jared.
Jared.
I'm going to message Jared. Say,
Yeah.
yo, Jared.
Have you seen a Peng Shui hat?
Yeah.
You know.
Oh, hello. Oh, my legs are working. Oh. Yeah, mate. Thank you. Good night.
Cheers, well, thank you very much.
Oh. No, I'm going for a samosa. Thank you.
Your bag?
No, I'm going to stuff it all in my pockets.
We're not going your YouTube thing.
You know it's going to happen.
Right, my consent.
Right.
Goodbye, lovely sir. Come
It's
and
all in
get
my pockets.
Come and get me, lovely nipper.
Love you.
Love you, Eddie.
See you later.
Why be nice to you?
Right, we're come back from the Tring Brewery. Lovely day at Tring Brewery. I'm a little bit tipsy, it's got to be said. But anyway, we'll be seeing you soon, and see you next Tuesday. You super duper. Love you.
Like and subscribe, Popsy.